Today I'm making a margherita pizza, and all you need is the dough, which was previously made, and this is the sauce, tomato sauce, which I put some salt, basil, oregano, and parsley dried, and olive oil. And this is some fresh basil, and fior di latte, mozzarella di bufalo, and then this Parmesan cheese, and this is the stone pizza. Okay? And the pizza is going to be baking in 230 degrees, or in 420 Fahrenheit. I hope you try. Parmesan cheese. Now I'm adding the fior di latte, freshly cut. This is the final result of the pizza margherita. And so I added the basil 10 minutes of baking in the oven. I took it out and then I put it 10 more minutes. So it took 20 minutes for the pizza to be baked. I hope you try.